How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when online. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even though you are online. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to appear offline on WhatsApp, WhatsApp released a new feature which is called online status. So to do that, first of all, make sure you have updated the WhatsApp application, and once you've done so, you have to go ahead and then open the WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dots from the top right hand side and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, on the list of these options, just go to the one that says privacy, and once you go to privacy over here, you'll find the option called last seen and online. So just tap on that one, and over here you have to select who can see my last seen. So set this to nobody. When you set this to nobody, you have the option who can see when I'm online. So you have to select same as last seen, because the last seen status is set to nobody, which means the online status will also be set to the nobody because it's same as last seen. Now when you come back to WhatsApp, and even when you're online, other people will not be able to know that you're currently online on WhatsApp. That's all it takes to appear offline on WhatsApp even though you're online. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.